Bonjour tout le monde. Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video regarding the numbers. So last video we saw the numbers from 1 to 20, and today we're going to be looking at the numbers from 21 to 99. So if you don't really know your numbers and if you haven't seen the previous video uh, regarding the numbers from 1 to 20, I obviously highly encourage you to watch that video first. Otherwise, you may be a little lost today. So let's jump right into the numbers from 21 to 69 first. Okay, so again, here we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? From 1 to 9, right? On the right, just to make sure. And we have the dozens on the left, right? So for 20, remember 20, we saw it last video. 20 is 20, right? 20. Next, let's get to 30. So 30 will be 30. 30. All right. Then we have 40. 40. Again, remember, like I said last video, make sure you don't pronounce the 40 like quarante, right? With the QU. It's just 40, okay? 40. Moving on now to 50. 50. All right, so 50 is 50, okay? 50. And finally, we've got 60. 60, okay, for 60. So again, we've got 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. All right? Now, if we want to say, so getting back to 20, right? Just for the sake of the example, right? If you want to say 21, you're going to say 21, okay? 21, right? So for 21, you have to add the A. Remember, A is and, right? So technically, when you say 21, you say 20 and 1, right? Same for 31, 31, 41, 41, 51, 51, 61, 61. You get the idea, right? Now, if I want to say 22, that's going to be 22. And then it goes 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, right? So we basically just take the number on the left, and then we add the number to the right. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, right? Same for 30. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Same thing with 40. 51, 52, 53, 64, 65, 66, 67, right? So that's how it works, okay? So you just say et for 1, right? And for the rest, 32, 43, 55, 66. Super simple, okay? You just have to know 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then make sure that you know the numbers from 1 to 9, and you're good to go. Okay? So that's for the numbers from 21 to 69. Let's now move on to the numbers from 70 to 99. So there it gets a little more complicated, all right? So here you have to know your numbers from 11 to 19. You'll see why. So basically, in French from France, okay, more on that in a minute, but basically, in French from France, we do not have a word for 70. Instead, what we say is 70, which basically stands for 60, 10, 60 plus 10. Try to understand it this way. There are a lot of memes about this. There are lots of uh, misconceptions, and a lot of people think it's very complicated. It's a little confusing, but it's not that complicated, I swear. So yeah, 70 would be 70, right? Now, if you want to say 71, you're going to say 71. 71, right? Remember, with 21, 31, 41, we said 21, 31, 41. So similar thing here. We add the et, right? 71, so 60, 11, 71. And then it goes back to normal, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Basically, in your head, you have to you have to add the numbers up, right? If that makes sense, right? So yeah, when you think of 76, think of 70, so sorry, 60 plus 16, all right? Yeah, that's the deal. That's the situation we're dealing with here. Yeah, so 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. All right, that's how it works. So that's for 70, okay? It works the same for 90. So I'm moving straight to 90 because it's the same thing. We would say 90. 90 is 90, okay? 90, 91, 92, 93, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. All right, same thing. So 90 is 90, okay? Right. Now we have to look at the previous one, which is 80. So 80 works a little different, all right? Again, we don't have a word for 80. In French, we would say 80, which basically means 420, right? Yeah, but not that important, okay? Just remember that 80 is 80. Now, 80 works like the numbers from 21 to 69 worked. So basically, you just have 80 and then you add the other numbers, right? If you want to say 81, 82, 83, this is how it works. So it goes 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Okay? 80, and then you add up the number. Okay? One more time. 81 for 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Note also that contrary to the numbers from 21 to 69, so we don't say the et1 here, right? Remember, like when we say 21, we don't say 81, okay? 81, that's it. The et is gone here, all right? 81. The et is also gone for 91, by the way, right? We don't say 91, but we say 91. That's it. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, right? And so the 90, right? Something similar to 70, right? We added the 10. So basically, when we say 90, it's 420 plus 10. Okay, 420 plus 11, 420 plus 12, 420 plus 13. Okay, but don't Don't get too confused with all this, all right? Just remember 70, 70, and then you add 71, 72, 73, okay? Try not to say 61, 62, 63, right? Otherwise, we get back to 61, 62, 63, yeah? 81, 82, 83, similar to what we saw previously with the numbers from 20 to 60. And then 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. So you count the same way as you would for 70, except for 91, right? You don't say the E. So that's basically how it works, all right? So that's the numbers from 70 to 99. I hope this was clear enough because this is basically the end of today's lesson, right? Very short one for today, right? So the numbers from 21 to 99, okay? Again, I encourage you to practice more on your own and to repeat whenever possible. So, everybody, that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Au revoir, à la prochaine.